everyone, welcome back to Thompson TV. It's Charlotte and today I'm going to be walking you through our Burstner B66 594. So some of the standout features of this vehicle, it is a 4-berth. It's measuring just under 6 metres in length, so if you are somebody who is after a compact low profile motorhome, stay tuned, could be worth watching. It's 3.5 tonne, so it can be driven on a standard driving licence. So making our way around the vehicle, we'll talk about some features externally. So it does come with an 100-watt solar panel, and as well as that, you've got your lithium leisure battery, so you are well kitted out for some off-grid. You've plenty of little storage capacities here. As you can see, you've got one here just beside the habitation door. You have an electric welcome step, and then you've got a TV point as well as a barbecue point, and you've got your full Omnister awning. So if you have a day like today and you're perched up somewhere lovely, pull the awning out, get the TV on, get a wee barbecue going. And then at the back is our storage, so there is a wee bit of cushions in there at the moment. And you do have the bathrooms at the back as well. So at the back we have a reverse camera, and then making our way around to this side is where our external shower point is. And here is where you house your 2 gas bottles, so that's the 2 gas bottles there. Here is access to fresh water tank, and then as you can see, it does come with your great Cato 2-tone 16-inch alloys, and you've got your stunning decals alongside there with the B66 sticker. It is such a unique colour scheme stuff going on here as well. It's beautiful. So the driving experience of the 594, we do have all the gadgets up here as you can imagine. Starting off over in this section, we've got our electric park brake, you've got your leather multifunctional steering wheel here, and you've got your automatic lights, you've got your cruise control, you've got your hands-free, fully automatic drive, everything you need for a seamless driving experience, which obviously comes in handy whenever you're driving those long distances. This is your Pioneer infotainment system. So you've got your Apple CarPlay built into that, your DAB+, smartphone navigation, and your reverse camera is built in there too. So our living space, you wouldn't imagine this van 6 metres whenever you're actually inside it. It just has that nice open plan feel to it. This is our bench seat lounge. So this table collapses down. It also folds out like this. So if you want to make a double bed down here, that's possible. And then just above my head is an electric drop down bed. So if you are sleeping the 4 people, I suppose you could call it sort of like a bunk bed effect. Whenever you're not using it with 4 people, you just basically move away those top cushions and it'll drop down the whole way down here. So there's not much climbing involved to get into your bed. You've also your 4 seat belts. So as you can see, they're just behind the chair here. It's really just a matter of reconfiguring the cushions, and then you're ready to travel. So this is our kitchen area. Just while we're here, this is our control panels. So this is obviously your main control panel. It is so handy to use. So that's your vehicle battery levels, that's your leisure battery levels, that's your main power button. You've got your wastewater tank, your freshwater tank, and then this is the button for your water pump. So we've kept it nice and simple for you. This is your Truma control panel, so that runs off gas or electric for your water or your heating. You've got your swivel TV bracket there, so if you wanted to add a TV, you can obviously swivel that out depending on wherever you're sitting. This is your Dometic 3-way fridge, so that'll work off gas, electric, or the vehicle battery, and you can also switch it over to an automatic mode, so whenever you're in between drive-in or doing a bit of wild camping, it's basically self-sufficient. This is the kitchen section. So you've got a Thetford combi oven and grill there with a 3-ring gas burner. You do have that upgraded sort of matte black finish on your sink and the likes of your shower as well. And then you've got your storage just above the kitchen too, with your shelving. So this is our bathroom at the back, and this is of course where you'll find most of the storage. As you can see, there's a huge wardrobe in there, so you've plenty of room for your clothes. And then additionally to that, you've got your hanging rail here, so you can actually access that from the outside. That's part of your garage. So I guess you'd put your coats and all your outdoorsy stuff in that one, and then the rest of your clothes over in this one here. There's also an Oyster Connect Wi-Fi box there. Got an additional wee cupboard under here. So that's where your heating tank, or sorry, your heating pump is. Your shower is over here, so you do have a lovely space for getting ready, as you can see. And then you've got your little mirror with your cabinet behind there. So where to adjust your bed is kept just here. So whenever you have that basically unlocked, you can just adjust it here. Another cool wee feature is our little light and USB rails. So they can come off like this and you can put them anywhere where there's a black rail. And you've also got lots of little USB points like this scattered about the vehicle. So that was a walk through our Burstner 594. If you are in the market for something that is compact and luxurious, this ticks a lot of boxes in my personal opinion. So give us a wee call if you have any further inquiries. And you can also check out full details and the full B66 range from Burstner on our website. Our contact number is OT892693999, and if you press through to option 1, that gets through to sales.